In today's digital age, mastering AI-driven language hacks is essential for enhancing writing skills. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we approach writing, offering tools that can improve clarity, creativity, and efficiency. In this video, we will explore practical applications of AI that can transform your writing process, whether you're crafting an email, a blog post, or a novel. Viewers will learn how to leverage AI tools for grammar checks, style suggestions, and even content generation. This knowledge is invaluable for both beginners looking to refine their skills and experienced writers seeking to streamline their workflow. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to harness the power of AI to elevate your writing, making it more engaging and impactful. So, whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. Understanding AI in writing, AI technologies are dramatically transforming the writing landscape, offering a range of tools that enhance both creativity and productivity. Today, writers can access various AI tools, such as grammar checkers, style enhancers, and content generators, which streamline the writing process. For instance, platforms like Grammarly and Hemingway help refine language and improve readability, while AI-driven content generators like Jasper can assist in brainstorming ideas or drafting entire articles. The impact of these technologies is profound. They not only save time but also inspire new creative directions. Successful applications of AI in writing can be seen in industries like marketing, where companies use AI to create compelling ad copy, or in journalism, where automated reporting tools generate news articles from data. As AI continues to evolve, it opens up exciting possibilities for writers at all levels, making the writing process more efficient and innovative. AI tools for beginners. For those new to writing, beginner-friendly AI tools can make a significant difference in enhancing your skills. Popular AI writing assistants like Grammarly and Jasper are excellent starting points. Grammarly focuses on improving grammar, punctuation, and style, providing real-time feedback as you write. It helps you catch errors and suggests enhancements to make your writing clearer and more engaging. On the other hand, Jasper is designed to assist with content generation, helping you brainstorm ideas and draft text quickly. These tools empower beginners to refine their writing and develop a more polished style. I encourage you to experiment with these AI writing assistants. They can serve as valuable companions on your writing journey. By incorporating their suggestions and insights, you'll not only improve your current projects but also build confidence in your writing abilities over time. Advanced AI techniques for experienced writers. For seasoned writers looking to elevate their craft, advanced AI-driven techniques can be game changers. Tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT offer powerful capabilities for brainstorming and drafting, allowing you to generate ideas or even entire sections of text with ease. This can be particularly useful when facing writer's block or needing fresh perspectives on a topic. Additionally, AI can assist in research by quickly summarizing information, finding relevant sources, and generating content outlines, saving you valuable time. By integrating AI into your writing process, you can enhance your productivity and creativity, allowing you to focus on refining your voice and style. I encourage experienced users to embrace these technologies, as they can complement your skills and provide new avenues for exploration. With AI as a collaborative partner, the possibilities for your writing are limitless. Practical applications of AI in writing. AI is making a significant impact in the writing world, and there are numerous real-world applications that showcase its effectiveness. For instance, many authors have successfully used AI tools to enhance their storytelling, with case studies highlighting how they leverage platforms like Grammarly for editing and ChatGPT for brainstorming plot ideas. To incorporate AI into your daily writing routine, consider setting aside time to use these tools for specific tasks, such as drafting, editing, or generating ideas. This structured approach can help you maximize their benefits. I encourage viewers to share their experiences with AI tools in the comments. Whether you've found success in overcoming writer's block or improving your editing process, your insights can inspire others to explore the potential of AI in their writing journeys. Together, we can learn and grow in this exciting new landscape of writing. Ethical considerations in AI writing. As we embrace AI in writing, it's crucial to address the ethical implications that come with it. One major concern is originality and plagiarism. Using AI-generated content without proper attribution can lead to questions about authorship and integrity. To navigate this landscape responsibly, it's essential to use AI tools as aids rather than replacements for your creativity. While AI can enhance your writing, it should not overshadow your unique voice and perspective. Maintaining a personal touch is vital in creative writing, as it reflects your individuality and experiences. I encourage writers to strike a balance by integrating AI thoughtfully into their process while ensuring that their original ideas and style remain at the forefront. By doing so, we can harness the benefits of AI while upholding ethical standards in our writing endeavors. Conclusion: In summary, we've explored the transformative power of AI-driven language hacks in enhancing writing skills. From beginner-friendly tools like Grammarly to advanced applications such as ChatGPT, these technologies offer numerous benefits, including improved grammar, increased productivity, and fresh creative ideas. As we navigate this evolving landscape, it's essential to embrace continuous learning and adaptation, ensuring that we stay ahead in our writing journeys. I encourage you to experiment with these AI tools and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with fellow writers who could benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content tailored to your needs. Let's continue this journey together, exploring the exciting possibilities that AI brings to the world of writing.